Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into how to edit desktop and mobile separately in Squarespace. This feature is essential for optimizing user experience across different devices. To start, log into your Squarespace account. If you're new to Squarespace, click on Create Account in the upper right corner. You can sign up using Google, a business email, or through Apple or Facebook via More options. Once logged in, it's time to focus on editing desktop and mobile versions separately to enhance the design for visitors on various devices. In your dashboard, click the profile icon in the upper right corner and select Account Dashboard. Choose the website or built-in domain you want to edit. Once selected, you'll be directed to the editor, where you can modify the desktop and mobile versions separately. When editing, you'll notice you're initially working on the desktop version. Then use custom CSS to show or hide each section, depending on the device. Here is the CSS code we use, which you can find in the link in the description. One will show the stuff on mobile and other will on vice versa. Make sure to update the section IDs in the CSS code to match your own sections. If you need different images, text on mobile, duplicate that section and hide one using custom CSS based on device width. Just watch closely how I do this. Watch it again if you're not sure how I did. It's little tricky stuff. To create different layouts for desktop and mobile, first duplicate the section you want to change. Customize one version for desktop and the other for mobile. If you need different images, text on mobile, duplicate that section and hide one using custom CSS based on device width. Just watch closely how I do this. Watch it again if you're not sure how I did. That's it! Now you can see different images on mobile and different on desktop. Just click the button above. Here it is. This, that. Right. So that's all in how you can edit desktop and mobile separately in Squarespace. If any confusion, comment below, I will try to solve it. If this helped, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.